Hey, welcome. This is Lily and welcome back to my YouTube videos. As you can see, I'm not in New Zealand. I'm in sunny Perth Mirrabooka. This is where I was living last year up until May, and then I left to go back to New Zealand to spend some quality time with my dad and my husband. And I'm back here in Mirrabooka. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the sun. I love how it's warm. Coming from New Zealand about a year and a half. I left last year in May, and it was beautiful going back. It was just lovely, but the rain just kept raining, and I think you blink and summer was gone. So this is Mirrabooka, where I'm staying. This is a Friday morning, and they have a market day here every Friday morning in Mirrabooka, right next to the Herb Graham Reserve. This is what it's called, Herb Graham Reserve. And this is beautiful. Oh, this open space and the weather. It is absolutely beautiful. I just love it. And I love the travel, actually. Now this is what I like to do. I love to be in New Zealand and to be in Perth, and also where my son lives in Parramatta, and where my other siblings are in Brisbane and the Gold Coast. So, yes, I do love it. I love to be travelling and staying in different places. But while my dad's alive, and while he's still... well, I shouldn't say it like that, but while my dad is still well and able, and he's in a rest home and he's well looked after, so I thought, no, it's about time I came back here to see just how beautiful Perth is, where the sun shines every day. And that's what I was missing while I was in New Zealand. I enjoyed being in New Zealand. I enjoy our country, New Zealand, where I was brought up, but the weather has changed a lot. So if you're wanting the weather to maybe indoors, write a book, just cozy up in a warm fire, New Zealand is the place to go. It certainly is. But if you want to be where you're outdoors, I think Australia is the place to be. And I think further up north in Auckland, north of Auckland, I think it's most probably warmer weather as well. But here you are, if you ever not doing anything on a Friday morning, because I think they start coming at about 6 o'clock, these guys. 6 o'clock in the morning, there you go. This is their market day, and they sell all sorts of stuff here. So this is me, this is Lily for today, Friday, and I think today's the 10th of November. So I'm just sharing with you what is happening in Mirrabooka. Okay, cheers for now, guys. We'll see you again on my next video. Catch you later. And don't forget, subscribe to my page if you want to see anything else happening. I will do a few videos while I'm here, but for now it's just catching up with the family, and also just getting things organized, because when I left here, I left thinking I was going to come back within a couple of months or so, last year. But seeing that, I ended up staying, got myself a job, and loved it. But now I love it being here. I know it's going to get warmer, but I feel the warmer weather is more me than the cold. Okay, thanks guys for joining me on this video. Hi to everyone over in New Zealand, all the families and friends. Check back in with my next video, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now. Bye.